If you guys want to see how I turn this into this, then just keep watching. So I found this little table on Facebook Marketplace, and when I offered to come and pick it up, that helped to kind of lower the price. So I got it for $10, and I feel like it'll make the perfect little project for my daughter's room. These knobs are from Hobby Lobby, and I just loved the pink and the gold detail. And if you wait for them to go on sale, you can get them at 50% off. And then I got some stationery with some similar coloring that I'm going to Mod Podge onto the side of the drawers. I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint on this project in the shade Damask. I was able to order this and pick it up at a local furniture store in town. The first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and remove all of the old hardware. Then I'm going to use this simple green all-purpose cleaner to clean all over and get rid of any of the grease spots or anything else that may be on the surface. I took the drawers out to make them a little bit easier to work with, and I'm going to use this kit that I got from Target, a block sanding kit, and give them a rough sand on the surface. Now that I have a rough sand on them, I'm going to go ahead and get my vacuum and use this tip on it, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of the dust on there. Then I'm going to take an old towel with some water on it and just go ahead and wipe the surface again to make sure I get everything off of there so it's ready to paint. I let them have a little bit of sun so they could dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat all those same steps with the box, but I am going to use my vacuum, make sure to get rid of all the dust and debris that's inside. I used a little metal spatula just to kind of clean out some of the corners with a little bit of grime that accumulates, because I don't want to paint over that because it won't look like a very good finish. After I had everything cleaned and prepped, I want to get ready for the knobs, but I noticed these two on the bottom aren't really in alignment with the two from the top. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those, and then I'll be able to paint right over them and then drill in the holes on either side. I used a few pieces of scrap wood to prop the dresser up so that when I was painting the bottom edges, it wouldn't pull around the bottom or pull up from whatever it was sticking to. I'm going to let the first coat dry on everything, and then I will apply a second coat just to make sure everything's covered. And then I'm just going to wrap my brush up in some foil so it'll keep it nice and protected so I don't have to clean it out between. I wanted to add a little paper to the side of the drawers just to add some color to that, so I'm just going to use some Mod Podge and glue that on there. I thought about just guesstimating where the knob should go, but I'm going to do it right, and I'm going to use a measuring tape and just make sure I mark where I need to drill those holes. I'm going to let the paint dry overnight, but I want to sand some of the edges just to give it a little more of a rustic look, but I really like how it's turning out overall.